Yo, what's really good? This is June Jones, and I'm back with another video. So, I just dropped 2 videos. Now, at that same last walk around auction, you know what I'm saying, with the Z66, I ended up finding something. I didn't, as y'all see in that video, I did not see it in that video. So it was kind of like a sight unseen bid, you know, because you know, I like to bid simultaneously. I open up all the lanes, you know what I'm saying, so I can see all the numbers, and I caught a 2020 Malibu. Now, seen him going through, I seen he was in E lane, which is a lane that's way far to the side. A lot of people don't be paying attention to E lane. And man, I caught him slipping, man, you know what I'm saying, and I was able to get it. My bid, I won the bid at 6,100. So I just went ahead and, you know, got it, you know what I'm saying? And I'm about to hit her with a wop, you know what I'm saying? I'm about to hit her with a wop, but like, there she go. It was a check engine light on, but I got the check engine light to get off. So they had it, Ally Financial had it, you know what I'm saying? So it was a repo. Originally, it was a rental car that went to somebody that eventually got repoed, which I picked it up from the dealer's auction. So that's how that went. And I mean, it's all there. 2020. It only got 151,000 miles on it. You know what I'm saying? It's all there. We got the deal. Y'all know I've been plotting on a Malibu for a while, man, and for me to come out with a 2020, that's crazy. I put a little glow on there, but I'm about to hit it with a 1-step. She do got a scrape at the front. Which, you know, you can't really tell. Like, it's on the bumper cover, which, you know, which is right there. Couple of scrapes, you know what I mean, but some body shops, everybody, I think dude told me give him 250, he'll remove them. So I might do that. I ain't really, some of you really can't even really tell, as you see, you know what I'm saying. I'm about to hit it with a 1-step. I kind of put I had washed it the other day and put a little glow on it, but I'm about to hit it with a 1-step so I can go ahead and dial her all the way in. But she clean, you know, all there, tinted out already, you know. Not too bad, you know. Not too bad when you do your homework. So that's one thing, you gotta do your homework. You know what I'm saying? Y'all see, you know, when I go to the walk-arounds, I do my homework, you know what I'm saying? But even though every blue moon you can run into a slab that you can bid on, you know what I'm saying, that's not, that you didn't get to see, and then, you know, you just gotta, sometimes you gotta roll the dice like that. But pretty good buy. I'm not mad. Runs beautifully. Brand new vehicle still. You know what I'm saying? And we gonna flip her and keep moving. Straight up. But I wanted to show y'all that pickup. I'll see y'all on the next one, man. Straight up.